Food Mood is a website by Google Arts and Culture that allows you to combine two recipes into one using Google's AI. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and this is super simple to use, which is pretty cool. So they've got this sentence here which you can switch up certain aspects. So for example, instead of a starter, you can say you want a soup or a main course. I don't really know who has soup. I mean, soup isn't really food in my opinion, but anyway, I digress. You can choose how many people will be having, I guess, dinner or this dish, and you can choose which two countries to mix the influence from. So you can choose, let's go with Belgium, and let's go with North Korea, because why not? Okay, cool. And then you click validate, and then you can also randomize a recipe or select particular diet options, whether you're vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, or whether you want to add a particular ingredient. You could type it in, like, I don't know, lettuce or something like that, right? Which is pretty cool. So I'm going to leave this blank for the time being, and I'm just going to click let's cook. And yeah, this is going to start creating a dish that we can actually create. It combines Belgian and North Korean cuisine, so we can have crisp endive with kimchi. Okay, interesting. A refreshing starter blending the subtle bitterness of Belgian endive with the spicy kick of Korean kimchi. Cool. We've also got a nice picture here on the left, which is quite nice. This is serving for 4. It's going to take 30 minutes. These are the ingredients we can get, and of course the instructions. So yeah, this is a pretty neat way to kind of like mix different kind of cuisines from different countries. So yeah, definitely give this a go. If you, I don't know, let's say you live in a multicultural household, or you've got two different sort of nationalities, wherever you are, and yeah, you're trying to make some cuisine to make everyone feel at home. I think this would be a great way for that. Or if you're just looking for a dish and a recipe to cook for dinner. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.